Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, we'll solve a trigonometry function word problem. As per the problem, a lighthouse with a rotating beam is located 500 meters south of a coastal cliff that runs west to east. Determine the distance from the lighthouse to the point where the light strikes the cliff when x equals 5 pi over 12. We are given a diagram for this problem. In this diagram, L represents the lighthouse. In this triangle, side AB represents the cliff. We have to find the distance from the lighthouse to the point where the light strikes the cliff. That's distance D, the length of side LB. This is a right angle triangle because the coastal cliff runs west to east and the lighthouse is 500 meters south of this coastal cliff. We have to find the value of D when the angle X is equal to 5 pi over 12. The first step is to write an equation for D using the information given in the problem. This is a right angle triangle. We are given the length of side LA. We can use SOHCAHTOA to write an equation for D. For the angle X, the 500 meter side represents the adjacent side and side LB is the hypotenuse of the triangle. As per SOHCAHTOA, we can use cos ratio to write an equation for D. The formula for cosine ratio is adjacent over hypotenuse. The length of the adjacent side is 500. The length of the hypotenuse is D. We have to find the value of D, so we should isolate it in this equation. We can cross multiply D to the left side of the equation. Next, we can divide both sides by cos x. I get D equals 500 over cos x. We have to find the value of D when x is 5 pi over 12. So next we can sub in x as 5 pi over 12. Now we have to find the value of cos 5 pi over 12. 5 pi over 12 is not a special angle. Angle 5 pi over 12 is in radians. In order to make it easy to find the exact value of cos 5 pi over 12, we can change 5 pi over 12 into degrees because that will make it easy to do the analysis. You should not show this as part of your work. You can do it on scrap paper and just show the radian analysis as part of your work. We can find the degree measure for 5 pi over 12 by replacing pi with 180 degrees. 5 times 180 degrees divided by 12 is equal to 75 degrees. 75 degrees is equal to 30 degrees plus 45 degrees, two special angles. In radians, 30 degrees is pi over 6 and 45 degrees is pi over 4. That means 5 pi over 12 can be written as pi over 6 plus pi over 4. So we can write cos 5 pi over 12 is equal to cos pi over 6 plus pi over 4. Now we can use the compound angle formula to expand this term. We should use the compound angle formula for cosine for sum of angles. So the expanded form is cos pi over 6 times cos pi over 4 minus sine pi over 6 times sine pi over 4. As per the unit circle or the special triangles, cos pi over 6 is equal to square root 3 over 2. As per the unit circle or the special triangle for pi over 4, cos pi over 4 is equal to square root 2 over 2. Sin pi over 6 is equal to 1 over 2. And sin pi over 4 is equal to square root 2 over 2. Now we can multiply the fractions. We multiply the top terms and the bottom terms. I get square root 6 over 4 minus square root 2 over 4. These fractions have the same denominator, so we can combine them into a single fraction. This is the exact value of cos 5 pi over 12. We can use this value in the equation for d. I get 500 over square root of 6 minus square root of 2 over 4. Next, we can simplify this expression by writing it as a division statement. Next, we can change this division statement into a multiplication statement. We should flip the fraction square root 6 minus square root 2 over 4 to 4 over square root 6 minus square root 2. Next, we can multiply the terms. The denominator of 500 is 1. We multiply the top terms and the bottom terms. 500 times 4 is 2000. So I get 2000 over square root 6 minus square root 2. Next, we should rationalize this expression because we have square root terms in the denominator. The square root terms are being subtracted, so we should use the conjugate method to rationalize this fraction. We should multiply the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator expression. Conjugate is an expression with the same terms but opposite sign between the terms. So we should multiply the numerator by square root 6 plus square root 2 and the denominator also by square root of 6 plus square root of 2. So I get d equals 2000 times square root of 6 plus square root of 2 over. In the denominator, we should distribute the terms using the FOIL method to get rid of the square root. So we start with square root 6 times square root 6, which is equal to 6. Then we do square root 6 times square root 2, which is plus square root 12. Then we do negative square root 2 times square root 6, which is equal to negative square root 12. And then we do negative square root 2 times positive square root 2, which is equal to negative 2. Next, we can combine like terms in the denominator. We should keep the numerator expression in factored form so that we are able to reduce the fraction if possible. In the denominator, square root 12 and negative square root 12 cancel each other out. We are left with 6 minus 2, which is equal to 4. We can reduce 2000 and 4. 2000 is evenly divisible by 4. I get 500. So the value of d is equal to 500 times square root of 6 plus square root of 2. And the unit is meters because that's the given unit of length. This should be the final answer for the exact value of d when x is equal to 5 pi over 12. This should be the final answer for this problem. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve this problem. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.